Okay, let's go.
All right, folks, let's get into it. Got another package from eBay. Let's see what we got. Gundam. Oh, that's a lot of gaskets. Some rings. All right, let me move this off to the side. This looks like 800 full engine rebuild kit. I think that was pretty cheap too. I think this was the O-ring missing. Now the O-ring escape. Oh wow, how many gaskets they give me? Give me 2 gaskets. Ooh, fancy. Fancy. Huh, wonder what the difference is. Oh look, at least they know how to connect the centers. Wow, you get a lot of gaskets. I guess in case something doesn't go right. Well, that's a good thing. You get gaskets, lots of O-rings, piston rings. Oh, let's take out the cylinder. Oh, yeah. Spark plugs. What? Oh, look at this. No. That's pretty cool. For the trash. Oh. What are these balance shaft bearings? It's like let's get the cylinder out. Let's talk about the cylinder first. Tell you what, they came a long way. I remember these things were such cheap metal. This is solid. I will give the cylinder 100%. Thumbs up. Looks really nice. It's closed in, doesn't have a freeze plug. So it's kind of like Cylinder Works. Let's check out these pistons. And these valve seals. Cool valve seals. There's a lot of stuff in this little bag that they shoved with the cylinders. Now, unless they gave you some more bearings in here, those are balance shaft bearings you're missing too, so. Oh. I mean, it's just an old 800, right? I mean, for the price, again, let's see. Regular clips. Let's see what they give you in here. Don't know what that's for. Yeah, I'm not sure. Inner wall side, crankshaft, crankshaft. Another crankshaft. You know what? I think that is for a 570. I don't even think that's for a... That's for an 800. Here's the 800 one right here. That looks more like a 570. Score, bonus, winning. All right. So then, I have no clue what this little itty bitty gasket's for. Let's see what else we got in the box. Oh. Is that it? Scoot this over. So far, this kit's looking pretty good. Way better than it did before. Alright. See if we notice anything other than pieces of wood. I mean, I think this kit was like $350. I see they don't have brass inserts for the wrist pins. Let's see if those fit. Where are they at? Ooh, a little bit of lube. Now these don't look like the biggest rods. They're definitely not like no hot rods. More like factory size rods. Those fit nice. 800's been around for years and years and years, so you'd think they'd have it perfected. Whee! So honestly, the 800 kit looks pretty nice too. Even give you an extra bonus seal. Oh, sweet. I'm going to see if that fits with 570. Let you know later. Yeah, this is... You know what? I'm going to build it. I'm going to build an 800 and test it. I got a buddy that built me a test stand a while ago. See how that looks good too. Back to this cylinder. It's notched so you can get the rings in. Nickel sealed. Nice finished surface. Ooh, you know what it doesn't come with? Dowel pins. Not the end of the world. Huh. Alright. Well, let's check out these gaskets. And we got a whole buttload of valve seals. 800s, you only use 2 valve seals, but they give us 8. Nice. Start with this gasket. Alright, so this looks like a complete gasket kit right here. And this looks like it would be for older style. Just from the valve cover and stator cover. In the water. Look, they even give you a little thermostat gasket. What's that look like? Alright, base gasket. That is crap. That is just crap. You'll probably rip it putting it on. Super thin, super junky. Exhaust gasket, probably same as that one. Side cover gasket. Look how thin that is. That is just terrible. A good gasket will have a little bit of sealant right on the side. So if I would use this kit, I would not use this or this gasket. Let's break it open, the head gasket, even though I already saw. See how that looks. Yeah. Maybe. Let's see if there's a difference between these two head gaskets. Different shades of black. Get old. Maybe if I would have cut it right. Boop, 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 boop. Again, old style. A little bit better gasket. Same gasket material that is usually you see in all the other aftermarket gaskets. If I'd have to pick a gasket, I'd probably go with this one. Don't know why, it just looks better to me. Let's see how many layers we got here. 2 layers? Nope, 3 layers. 3 layers of this one also. All held on by rivets. Well, if I was building 800, I would definitely try this kit. And like I said, I'll build one just to try it and see how it goes. Because I mean, let's get real, they're old 800s. The biggest thing is the cam and lifters, which just use OEM lifters, and any aftermarket cam, make sure you get all the air out of the lifters, and it should run right. Oh, do I have a bolt for this somewhere? Nut. See if we got nut. Nut. I do not have one in this drawer. Anyways, let's see. That should be it. Kit's nice. Comes with 2 top end gasket kits. Sweet. 1 full engine kit, which is trash. Like I said, I wouldn't use that. Pistons, like I said, it's only 800. These don't look as good as the 1000 pistons, but they seem pretty nice. A lot better than the older ones. The older ones we used to be able to just snap by pushing them in on the ring lands, and the cylinder was just junk. But yeah, all in all, I would use all this except for these gaskets and just get some nice gaskets, except for this 570 crank seal and 6 of these valve seals. Crazy. All right, well, that's awesome. Another China review. I'll run it and probably let you know a couple months later. Maybe I have a buddy that needs a motor. I'll say, hey, you want to risk it for the biscuit? but I don't see any issues. I mean, it looks, it's heavy. I'll tell you that. It is heavy, just like any other 800 crank. This cylinder is heavy too. It reminds me of Cylinder Works cylinder right there. Shiny. China. Still don't know what these bearings are for. They have to be balance shaft bearings. No, they're not. These are useless bearings. They just said, hey, here's some bearings. You got no tabs, no nothing. Yeah, I don't. Let's see if I got a set of bearings here. Oh, I got some hot rod bearings. A little dusty. I haven't built an 800 in a while. Yeah, it's like, I don't know what these are. Because there's your balance shaft bearings. So they just throw whatever they want in this box. I'll tell you what. I'll tell you, Hot Rods knows how to put some bearings in a freaking plastic. Gosh. Throw this thing across the room. Shouldn't be that tough to open up some bearings, but it is. Balance shaft bearing for an 800 Hot Rods. $700, $800. These bearings are trash because we don't know what they go to. Just trash. Now, if you're building a 700, you can use this kit also. You would just need a 800 balance shaft because the blades on the crank is way thicker than a 700. And then boom, you have an 800 with 700 head. Works great. But other than that, this kit, I would run it. See you next time.